Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my all viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest videos. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet poncho ideas for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting pattern, different variety, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Very nice, beautiful ideas. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Beautiful. Some are simple and some are decorated with button-up style. Very nice. Most demanding collection, most favorite collection. Beautiful poncho ideas. If you want to more collection about crochet, so please visit my channel. The logo is front of you. And like and share my video. Hopefully like this. Very nice. You can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, like crochet dresses, crochet amigurumi pattern, beautiful crochet jewelry and different free ideas. Very nice. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. And please pray for me.